Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com software breaking news update. Google announced the release of themes for its Google Chrome beta, which is version 3. The default download of Google Chrome is version 2, but if you want to try Google Chrome beta, you get to preview the latest features, give early feedback, and continue to get updates of your beta version. The version 3 beta now supports themes. There's links both to the download and to the theme page in the show notes. You can just click the theme that you want, click Apply Theme. The theme is applied, and as you can see here on the home page, it shows your most frequently visited sites, your recent activities, and you have your colorful theme. If you want, you can go back to your default. You have other bookmarks and so on here. So, this is exciting news from Google, themes for the Google Chrome beta. And that's your software breaking news.